Today, we take a journey deep within our souls to nourish the most important relationship of all, the one that we have with ourselves. The Anahatha chakra is our center for compassion, love, and connection. This meditation will help you to cultivate deeper feelings of self-love, compassion, and empathy. Will help you to enhance your ability to forgive yourself and others, and help you to awaken and deepen your connection with the abundance of love in the universe. So let's begin by finding a comfortable meditation posture. And then when you're ready to do so, gently close your eyes. And we'll just start our journey just by shifting our attention to the easy flow of the breath to the nostrils. No need to change or modify the breath. Just developing a connection with our breath. Just watching it as it flows in and out at the nostrils. Then as we're maintaining awareness of the breath, we'll just shift our attention to our meditation posture. Guide your awareness to the base of your meditation posture and just feel a sense of being supported and grounded by Mother Earth. Then with your next inhalation, we'll just extend the crown up into a blue sky above, into the expansive universe. Then we'll just relax the shoulders back and down, open up our heart space. And then just becoming aware of your whole meditation posture, your whole posture, from the base to the top of your head. Then we'll just relax the body. We'll breathe in a sense of peace and calmness. Exhale, more and more relaxed as we settle into a deep, peaceful, relaxed state. Then we'll just shift our attention to the heart, the Anahatha chakra. And I invite you to imagine you're breathing in and out through your heart. Then we'll imagine we're breathing in a beautiful, soft green light. And then exhaling, just relaxing and letting go. Just start to imagine that beautiful green light is just starting to blossom in our heart. And it's growing and expanding. So as we breathe in that beautiful green glowing light at the heart, just imagine it start to radiating out into the arms and the hands. And that beautiful green light's flowing into the legs and the feet. And we'll inhaling that beautiful green light that's flowing into the head. And then all of the body. Just imagine your whole body is just breathing in this beautiful healing green energy into the heart. And it's flowing out into every cell of the body. Then we'll start to breathe in a sense of self-acceptance, compassion, and self-love. Infused with the green, beautiful energy. And as you exhale, just imagine anything no longer serving you just flowing back out. Inhale, self-love, self-acceptance, compassion, kindness. And then breathe out, releasing any feelings that no longer serve us. You could even imagine those feelings getting evaporated by a vibrant sun. We just take a few more breaths, just resting in this heart space of self-compassion and love. Then I invite you to visualize that this love is starting to expand out from your physical body, and it's radiating out into the world. And then just start to feel the connection of your heart as it's radiating out into the world, connecting with others and the universe. And then visualize that beautiful sense of self-love and compassion drawing into your reality all of the love and abundance that you've ever dreamt of. And as you're resting in that beautiful space of love and connecting with others, I invite you to affirm silently or out aloud with me. I love and accept myself fully. I love and forgive myself fully. My heart is open to receiving the abundance of love of the universe. I am love. I am whole. And I am open to connecting with and receiving all of the abundance of love that the universe has to offer me. Repeat these affirmations or your own, and then just rest in that beautiful space of energy, of self-love, and the connection with the abundance of love in the universe. Well done for giving yourself the time for self-love and compassion. Let's just slowly now just become aware of the physical body again. Being aware of the space around you and the environment you're in. And as we slowly return, remember that self-love is sacred, and it's the origin of all the authentic love in the universe. When we care for ourselves deeply, we connect with others and can give more freely and generously. So we'll slowly return now. Just begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. I invite you to bring your palms to your heart. And we'll return carrying the presence of self-love, grace to forgive, the beauty of self-connection, and the openness to see the bounty of love in the universe. My name is Tony Myers. Thanks for coming on this guided journey with me. I wish you all the self-love, compassion, and the abundance of the universe.